Hi, welcome again to Cat Scratch Kitchen, and I'm Terry. Today we're going to use some of that Italian sausage that we made last week, and we're going to make an iconic soup from Olive Garden called pasta e fagioli. Now I went on Translate to make sure that I pronounced that right because I had no clue. And literally it means pasta and bean soup. It's delicious, everyone likes it, and it's one of Olive Garden's most popular soups. So let's get started. I have 1 tablespoon of oil in my pot. We're going to allow it to heat up. And then we're going to add 1 pound of the mild Italian sausage like we made last week. The link for that is below the like button. Or you could also use a pound of ground beef if that's what you have. We're going to heat this over medium heat and crumble up the sausage and cook it until it's no longer pink. If any fat has come off of your meat, you want to drain that now. Mine is very lean, so there's no additional fat here. We're going to add an additional tablespoon of oil. Now add your onions, your carrots, and your celery. Now on the carrots and celery, these are ones that I had chopped and ready to go in my freezer. We're going to saute all of this together about 5 minutes until the vegetables start to become tender. Now add the broth. I'm using beef bouillon, so I have beef bouillon and water. The tomato sauce, the additional water, your canned tomatoes, sugar, basil, oregano, thyme, marjoram, and pepper. Now's the time to taste and add any additional salt if you think you need it. My batch doesn't need any additional salt, more than likely because I used the beef bouillon. Now you want to bring it to a boil, reduce the heat to a simmer, and cover it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now that it's simmered for about 15 minutes, I'm going to add 2 cans of beans, 15-ounce can of kidney beans and 1 of white beans. You can use cannelloni beans, Great Northerns, navy beans, your choice. And also, we're going to add our pasta. We're going to cover it again and cook it for another 10 to 14 minutes or until the pasta is tender. It's been about 14 minutes and our pasta is tender. We don't need to add any more broth or water. If it looks too thick to you, you can also add that at this point. And it's ready to serve up. Top it with a little finely grated Parmesan or Romano cheese, and you're ready to eat. So there you go. A wonderful soup. Just pair it with some good garlic bread and a nice salad, and you're ready to go. The recipe and all the ingredient measurements are right below the like button. Be sure and give it a try. And while you're there, take a chance and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Until next week, have fun in the kitchen.